Hello everybody, welcome back to the Excel spreadsheet edition of cash flows to shareholders. We're just finishing up the after tax interest for Unsubsidized spreadsheet. We have three sum tables to finish off before I move on. Start off with the subsidized spreadsheet. We have to do principal plus after tax interest, net present value, after tax cost of debt, and then I have to do conclusion of free cash flow. Okay, so this is how to find the principal plus after tax interest. Yes, the net present value after tax cost of debt. The answer is 0, so that's correct. Okay. Net present value of cash flows to shareholders equals net present value of free cash flows plus net present value of after tax cash flows from lenders. And this section is the discount WACC, which I just calculated here. Okay, so that's unsubsidized, calculated and finished. Now let's move on and go into the subsidized spreadsheet. Yes, so I have to find a percentage for after tax cost of debt. Here is how you find the appropriate answer. %. Now I have to find the market value of debt. The answer is €2, so that's very good. Now I have to calculate the EBIT. So it's the dollar signs. That matches the EBIT over here. Okay, now let's calculate the less interest. That's correct. So amount borrowed multiplied by subsidized interest rate by 5%. So let's go to the point and calculate earnings before taxes. Simply EBIT plus less interest. since there's brackets there, we'll turn the opposite or minus it instead. It's €5.80. Okay, let's go and find what the answer for taxes. It's correct. C16, then that's multiplied by $B4, which is tax rate of 40%. Okay, let's calculate the net income. Earnings before taxes plus taxes. Now define the investment by shareholders. Answer is €8. Okay, next I need to do is find and calculate the net cash flow to shareholders. So that's P19. Next, I need to find the net present value of cost of equity. The answer is €21. Okay. Good. Divided by 6, yeah. Cost of equity is by 12%. Okay, now let's go and find the answer for market value of equity. €29. Very good. Okay, now we're going to find the proportion of market value. It's correct. Now we'll find the difference. Difference compared to the first one. It's going to be a different function table. Okay, now let's calculate the weighted cost of capital. Now let's find the answer for the weighted average cost of capital. The answer is 11.6%. As you see, it's 0.4% and 11.2% for equity and debt after tax. And the answer for the average cost of capital will be 11.6%. Okay, let's move on to the free cash flow section. Okay, now to calculate the taxes. That's good. Now let's calculate the EBIT. So let's add these two together. So it's brackets here, it's going to be a minus instead. And that does go on forever. So you have to constantly keep calculating the figures until we find the final figures that have the official answers for the money to find the shareholder invest for cash flows. Right, okay, let's move on to the investment. Okay, the next step is the free cash flow. Now to calculate the net present value of WACC. €19, that's very good. Okay, next step is to calculate the interest for after-tax cash flows from lenders. Okay, interest tax shield. After tax interest is next. That's very good. Okay, now calculate the principal plus after tax interest. And the last sum function table, subsidized sheet, net present value of after tax cost of debt. That's correct. Here's percenter. Okay, so then in conclusion, there's nothing add in. It's all calculated automatically. So I will continue and fill in the missing figures and calculate what's left in the bullet sheet in the next video. So, well, thank you all for watching this. Hope you stay safe, wash your hands, and have a good evening. Adios.